Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change keyboard language on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. First of all, we need to open the settings. Then we want to scroll down and we need to find general management over here and then go there and then choose Samsung keyboard settings. Over here we need to tap on languages and types, and then over here we have the main screen and cover screen. We can change for both. However, first we need to choose manage input languages. Now over here we will find the list of available languages. So let's say we're gonna switch to, let's say, Spanish. So all we need to do in order to add the language is tap on the slider on the right side, and then when we go back we will have our languages. Now of course, if you want to leave these options with only one language, then you can go back to the language input. Now of course all selected languages are at the top, so you can remove the old language that you had, and now you are left only with the one that you just added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.